we're going to get another 1000R. It's that time of the month.
Yo, I'm trying to think which way it's told you to go here. This is the A39 all the way home, I think. Yeah, it is. Say that again, lean straight forward. Oh no, yeah, I didn't know which way you wanted to go. But yeah, this is... Yeah, alright. It's alright up to now, with the heated grips. Got what on? Yeah, I've got them on number 3. Alright, I'll speak to you in a minute. In a bit. Good, Lynn? Alright. Yeah, on the way back from, well, Bude area. We left Bideford about 10-15 minutes ago. Time is it now? 6. 10 past 7. Oh, this clock's wrong. 7, 8, yeah, about that time. Wait, one sec. Are you still there? I was just trying to turn the volume up, your voice is low. Yeah, so probably take an hour to get back, yeah. Alright, Dudlin, I'll speak to you in a bit. If you make something, if you leave me one and then I'll just heat it up. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Mark? Everything's alright, but it's not got the sport dash. No, so he must have, when he bought it, he must have bought it and spec'd it up as a sport, but not got the Dynamic Pro or the sport dash. Honestly, it's not on the there's no other screens apart from the normal, well, the screen that it's got. No. So he said it was a sport, but he must have spec'd it as a sport, but not got those extra packs. Do you want to bring it back? I can't believe you've got a proper crap bike compared to mine. I'm only oh, I want to bring it back. I'm bringing it back. Nah, so everything's fine. Yeah, yeah, my hands are fine until that sun goes down. But yeah, it's all good. Yeah. No, it's got the Sport Max, I think. Oh, I'm not sure. They do different ones, don't well? It looks like. What do you mean? The tyre? Nah, it can't do. You'll have to get some S22s, whatever they are, online. I think the front tyre is brand new in it, because it still had the rubber little notches on the edge. Well, you won't have them by the time we get home. With that SpongeBob thing. What car is it, that Fiesta? You're saying it's the police? It's not. Yeah, Mark, when you watch this, my hands are freezing now. Well, the back of my hands are, and that one's so cold that the knuckles have shrunk. Oh, there's a car like your old one. Supra. Let's follow it. Oh, he wants me to overtake, doesn't he? And Mark, I'm dying for a squirt, though. So if you want to stop at McDonald's for a coffee, I know it's going to be a bit late because you'll be watching this, but if I was talking to you, would you want a coffee or a hot chocolate? In fact, I'll call you. Oh, in a minute I will. Oh. What? When you get on the A30, come off at that first Fradden Services, is it? The McDonald's. I'm dying for a wee. Just at the big roundabout that you don't like. You know. Yeah, okay. See you in a sec. So we stopped. It was a hot chocolate and a double cheeseburger.